Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Camera doesn't look right. I'm making dinner. Just got back from the woods a little bit ago, so I'm hungry. And yeah, I'm gonna make meatballs. So confession, I went down to buy some ground chicken to make meatballs, but all they had was ground turkey. So I'm okay with just taking this one as a loss. I can't control what product's available or not, so, but it should still taste good. So let's get to it. So I got my mixing bowl here. I'm gonna go ahead and, if it's okay, I'm gonna turn my skillet on. Start heating it up. So I got 85-15 turkey. And then I've got 93.7% lean turkey. Figured the contrasted fats would be hopefully provide a good texture. So my meatballs are with my meat. So I got I don't know, about a quarter cup breadcrumbs, 1 huevos. So I need to whip before I can add it in there. So you whisk it up. That. I got my seasonings. I've got so it's salt, sloppy mama white, garlic, herb that I'm just trying to use up, a little paprika, a little cumin. Got that in there, and then I'm going to add the king of flavor, a little MSG. Alright, stir. Make sure everything gets mixed together. I'm making a little extra because I'm also doing some prep for tomorrow and the next day's lunches at work, so that's why I'm making so much. Pretty good opportunity. I can do 2 birds with 1 stone. I can make dinner and then make lunch for work at the same time. There we go. And pick up that little piece that came out. Sweet. Okay. Alrighty, so pan's starting to smoke, starting to heat up. I'm gonna turn the oven on because I want to brown them in the pan, but I want to finish them off in the oven just so I get the nice even heat. And I was starting to prep my broccoli, but it's meatballs are, well, the pan heated up quicker than I thought. So I'm gonna put these around. Notice how I'm putting them in a certain order like I did with the other stuff, because when I go to turn them, wow, it's rocking some heat. You have to brown these up in batches because there you go. Alright. Give these guys a turn. turn them in the order that I put them in. So. Alrighty. Now what I'm going to do is they're still raw, completely raw on the inside, but I want to pull them out because I want to start the next batch and get them colored up. And then I'll put the whole batch in, and then I'll just bake it for 15 minutes and get a nice even cook. Just like before, I want to go around start in the middle, work your way around so you know where to start when you go to turn them over. And then, I wonder if I can get them all. I don't know if I can get the rest of it. I don't think I'll have to do a third. I have to do a third cook. I don't want to crush them all too much in the pan either because, you know, I just don't want to do that. Alright, we got some nice color going. So I'm going to more or less put these back in. I don't mind if they're all clumped together at this stage because they're all going in the oven for about 15 minutes. So, kill the burner. There we go. So 15 minutes. So the oven timer just went off. I'm going to check the temperature on these. Meatballs is turkey is one of those things that I want to make sure they're up to temp. And so far 2 are. Let's find a thick one. Okay. Yep. Yep. Blue one I know is going to pass. Yep. You always want to be careful with chicken, turkey, and any poultry. You know, if they were medium rare meatballs, I could live with it. Those are looking quite done. That's why I love having an Insta-Read thermometer. Yep, they are done. Only took 15 minutes. Alright, I already know my rice is done because the timer went off. Oh yeah. I can't think of anything more satisfying than fluffing up freshly cooked rice. Get some of this out. Yeah, I highly recommend a rice cooker. They're worth their weight in gold. Grab a few of these meatballs. So 3, 4, 5, 7, I guess. There you go. Now I need broccoli. Do one more thing. Well, I guess I'm zoomed in a little bit much. I just threw a little teriyaki sauce in a saucepan. I'm just waiting for broccoli. Alright. Broccoli is literally down to the minute, so I need to Should have picked a better spot to get in here. I'll just throw it right on top of the rice. Steamed broccoli happens to be one of my favorites. So, even though corn's in season right now, you know, but it's all good. I want to stop the cooking, so I'll just get it off the hot. Alrighty. Now normally I would be sitting down in front of the computer, but I figured since it was a bowl, it'd be easy to manage. Try one of these meatballs. Meatball. That's probably 1,000 degrees. Mmm. Mmm. That was good. A little bit of that rice with teriyaki sauce. Oh yeah. Mmm. That's good. Kind of a simpler one this week, but you know, they don't always have to be super complicated. It's hot though. Mmm. Heck yeah. A little bit of broccoli. Hot. Ooh. Mm. Alrighty, so clean bowl. I gotta be honest, the texture of the meatballs I found a little meh. I think ground beef would have been a lot better. But anyway, I'm still gonna pack it up for my lunch for next couple days. I'll just power through them. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description and also the end card, which might be popping up now, maybe, for the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday, and also Shabbat 8 and last week's video. So anyway, have a good one. Catch you in the next one.